Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all of you. My name is Tengku Irfan Shah bin Raji Abdul Razak, and now I will present about my C programming project. The title of this project is to determine the critical load by using various types of support. Okay, now as we all know, this is the title of the project, which is to determine the critical load of column with various types of support. So I will proceed to introduction. So for introduction, programs are used to operate the components of a computer, satisfy or need to solve the problem. Programming takes creativity and problem solving. Programmers translate the solutions or tasks into language that a computer can understand, such as Java, C, C++, JavaScript, and also Visual Basic. So regarding the individual project that have been assigned, this project shows the process of creating how to calculate the critical load using C program dev C++. So creating this program helps to solve problems related to the subject and can make it easier for the students to calculate it. And now proceed to the problem statement. So for problem statement, what is the problems? One of the problem is the difficulty in calculating the critical load of column with various types of support, which are pin end, fixed and free end, and also pin and free end. The other difficulty is in memorizing the value of k in different types of column that we use to calculate. Objectives. What are the objectives for this project? Firstly is to find the value of critical load with different types of k value. Secondly, to enhance skills using dev C++, and lastly is to apply knowledge in C program to solve problems related to engineering field. Methodology. The method used for this project is flowchart. So for this flowchart, we press start, and then we insert the value of L. And then from value of L, if the L is more than 0, the program will proceed to choose types of pin. If the value of L is less than 0 or negative value, the program will ask you to insert the value of L again. So if you proceed to choose types of pin, and then after that you have to enter the value of E and I. The value of E and I varies for different cases. So after that, we calculate the critical load, and then the output will be displayed, and then we continue. If you want to continue, you may press 1 for yes or no. If no, the program will exit and end. So this one is there are various cases such as what I've said just now. So if you enter the value of E and I for different types of, this one is the different types of this is the different types of pin ends. This one, fixed end, pin end, fixed and free end, and also pin and free end. So firstly, this one is the pin end, fixed end, pin and fixed end, and also free end and pin end. So there are 4 types of pin used, and then after that, yes or no. If no, then the program will end. Okay, for this one, this is the program used. We use dev C++ to run this program. So we use hashtag include stdio.h, hashtag include conio.h, hashtag include mac.h, and also hashtag include windows.h. And also we define the pi as 3.142. After that, we enter integer main, open bracket, close bracket, and after that we open bracket again, and then we enter, we declare float PCR 1 PE FF, and also and so on. After that start, after that we print F, and then what is the question? This is a critical load calculator to calculate critical load. Okay. After that we use method do, print F, we enter the value of L. After that we scan F, send F, and also we enter the value of L and L. So if the value of L is more than 0, so print F will choose whether it's pin end, fixed end, free end, fixed end, pin and fixed end. and then we'll continue if the else, which is if L is less than 0 or negative, the program will show error. So while doing that, so we use while. So when L is less than or equal to 0, do printf choose type of pin and then scanf %d. And after that, you enter the value of E and I, printf and scanf to enter the value of E and I. So the program will see whether it's k equals to 1. So if k equals to 1, so the program will calculate using this formula, and then will print show the value of critical load, and then do printf. We want after that, after you finish calculating, then do printf, and then do you want to continue? Enter 1 for yes or 2 for no, and then if you press 2, the program will end. So after that, I will proceed to. Okay, now I will continue with the main menu of the program. So the main menu of the program is the first thing will come out is this is critical load calculator to calculate critical load, and then after that you must enter the value of L, and then after you enter for example, I enter the value of L is -2, so the program will show up error here. So after that I must enter the value of L again, and this time I must put positive value. So I put, for example, L equals to 100. So after that the program will ask you which type of pin you want to use, whether it's pin N, fixed N, free N, fixed N, or pin and fixed N. And then after you enter the type of pin you want to use, after that you must enter the value of E. The program will ask you to enter the value of E. So after entering the value of E, you must enter the value of I, and then right after that the program will calculate the critical load, and answer here is for example 0.009872. And after finish calculating, the program will ask whether you want to continue or not. So if you enter 1, you press 1, the program will continue again, or you press 2, the program will end. Here like this, program will end. And then we proceed to conclusion. So for conclusion, in a nutshell, the objectives of the project are achieved successfully. So this program used to calculate the critical load can be used by the students, especially in engineering field, to answer and solve problems related to this. So skills in computer programming are improved, can be applied in solving related programs regarding fields. There are a few problems faced during completing the task. So one of them is errors in coding. This is quite common when coding due to the programmer's faults. So after a few weeks of study, focusing, and with determination in doing the code, the errors managed to be solved, and the code can be compiled and run successfully. For recommendation, we can use a more user-friendly computer coding program such as Java. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening.